guys, welcome back. So today I have a new Lego tutorial for you guys. So it's a Lego Infinity Cube. They go in like this motion over and over again. They're really fun to play with, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, so for how this works is you just like fold it one direction. Well, you could do it the other way too if you wanted, but it just keeps going in that direction. It goes on like forever. So you could just do this. It's super fun to do. So now I'll show you how to build it. Okay guys, so these are all the pieces you'll need. You can pause the video right now to get them. It actually uses 24 1x2s. And you can also change the colors of any of these. These are just the colors of this one that I'm building for you guys. So you can get all these pieces and then you can build along. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is grab one of these like gray pieces and you put 2 black 1x2s on top of it. You have to repeat this with all 8 of these light gray pieces. So it's gonna take a little bit to do, and you'll need a lot of 1x2s and these light gray pieces. So you're gonna need 8 of these. After you have all 8 of them made, you just grab 2 of them, put this one sideways like that, and this one up like that. Just stick them together like that so they line up. And then just put one of these hinge pieces, just like this. Connect them together with it, like that, so it'll bend this way. And put a 1x2 right there, and you need to make one more of these. They're really simple to make. Just do this, then a 1x2, and now you need to make 2 opposite versions of those. So like this is what the opposite version should look like. Just the complete opposite of it, pretty much. You just put the hinge piece right here, and then you put the black 1x2 right there, and you need to make one more of these 2. So just like this, I need this one right there, this one right there, and black 1x2. After you've made all of these, you just put them together like this, pretty much, and then flip them just right there. And those 2 indents right there, you want to put a hinge piece right there, another one of these hinge pieces, and connect them together like that. So then they can be connected like that. Just do that to both of them. Put that right there. And both. And then also you want to put 2 1x2 tiles on each end of this, on the studs on the hinge piece. Just put 2 tiles on there. And yeah. So now after you have this, you just connect the tiles so that, well, you just put the tiles together so that they're facing each other like that. And then you get a hinge piece and put it on the end of these, just connect like that. And then you need another one on the other side, right there. And then underneath both of those sides you need 2 1x2 plates that go right there. And then after that, you're just gonna need to have 4 2x2 tiles on each side. So 2 on that side and 2 on this side. There you go. So after that, we're almost done. You just need to put tiles right here. I just made this a checkered pattern because it looks cool, but you can change the colors of these all you want. Yeah, but it just looks cooler with the different colors, I feel like. Yeah, then you just put some black 1x2s, 1x2 tiles, doesn't matter which color, and just use black. And once you put these on, that's it. Finished, and you can just fold it up like that's how you do it. It's really simple. I like how they work. They're really fun to do. So yeah. If you like the video, make sure to check out other videos on my channel, and as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell.